As you can see, I've put both the coils on a rubber mat to make sure it's non-conductive, or as non-conductive as it can be. And roughly, if I go centre to centre, we've got 20 centimetres between centres. And if I move a little bit further up, you'll notice I've got a couple of curry dishes. There's capacitors on top. I've got another couple of dog dishes taped together to make a torrod, and a drink shaker. And on top of that, I've got my first bifilia coil with 2 LEDs on it. I've got that hooked all the way up to this antenna here, which is basically an L-shaped piece of aluminium foil. And I've got my second aluminium piece of foil, which is hooked up all the way down to my other bifilia coil with the 2 LEDs on it. Apart from that, I've got a nice piece of aluminium covering all of the plasma globe. And when I switch this on now, you'll notice that what we're doing is harnessing all of the energy out of the plasma globe, and we're lighting up these 2 LEDs here. So as you'd expect, it's directly connected, but we're also transmitting through this aluminium to this aluminium and lighting up this pair. Now what I've done is I've moved the antenna as far as I can this way. It's just like a 90 degrees, and I've moved the other antenna as far as I can that way, 90 degrees. Now we're still getting a nice glow from that, and we're getting a nice glow from that, and they seem to be the same brightness, which is good, considering this is the transmitting one and this is the receiving one. Now the only other thing I'm thinking is perhaps we're getting capacitance between these bits. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this coil as far as I can this way, or this coil as far as I can this way, to get a diagonal to make it further away, and turn the actual handle so it's all the way around, so that's not close. So I'll do that now and see if we get the same results. Diagonal now. The distance between there and there is 15 centimetres. We are still getting a nice glow there, and also we're getting a nice glow there too. It's not as bright, but it seems that we can definitely do it across that 15 centimetre gap. I'm going to have to devise a way of making it go a bit further. But thanks for watching. That's great then.